And he like brings me a coffee mug and it's really weird. And I'm like, here. So I'm like
Just the baby brushing over.
getting like puffed in and a little buzz, like properly get initiated. It's like, I'm just like, well, hey, like, you don't want to be in the island, like, I don't know what I'm doing and I can't pay you.
I am Amairani. I go by Amy. I am a Mexican woman. And very few people can say my name. That's why I go by Amy, but I'm Amairani. And I was born and raised in Cancun. And only 5 years ago, I moved to Playa del Carmen. I have a crazy relationship with this place. This place has taught me a lot. It has given me powerful lessons. And at the same time, I feel stuck because it's my hometown. But you know, this place makes me feel at home. This tribe, this community makes me feel like I'm actually at the place where I'm supposed to be. Even though I would like to be traveling and seeing the entire world and, you know, enjoying more of this sort of communities everywhere in the world, any other place in the world. I think I feel at home with these guys. I am an Aquarius and I am a little weird. So I think it matches the energy. Yeah, and I don't know, I'm 25. I'm a Spanish teacher and I'm a very extroverted introvert, if that makes any sense. Yeah. Yeah, I was invited by Matt actually. So that's how I heard about it. And I was really happy to hear about something like this because I think it's really important to have a community that thinks in a way that's not only business like, but also focuses on consciousness and spirituality as well. I didn't really think that I would find something that merges both worlds so perfectly. And then I found this, and I'm really, really happy because this is exactly what I needed, exactly what I wanted, and I actually feel very welcome. So it's great. I think it helps a lot that the people that I've met here are people that I actually look up to, people that I recently met, but people that do live lives that I'm aspiring to live as well. And since I aspire to have those sort of, you know, lives that they've got, like the lifestyle, the travel, the business, and all the consciousness around it, it has really helped me to be able to meet people like that because they are actually very inspiring, but also very humble, and they're so willing to share how they got where they got. And I feel that they are my mentors actually. So I feel coach, and I feel like there is a lot of opportunity here to learn from all of the people that I'm meeting here. Hmm. Community that thinks be ready to fulfill your aspirations. Yeah, I would say that this is the place to be if you want to get somewhere and have a community that helps you get there. I've been here maybe 3 times so far, or 4 times, I don't really know. But I've already cried twice. So that's interesting. I mean, I'm a very sensitive person, but I'm in a path right now. I'm having a situation with my business where I need to level up. I've been doing the same thing for 4 or 5 years now, and I'm ready to scale my business. I'm ready to get to a broader audience, and the people around here have done that. So it really inspires me to be here, and I felt very touched by the ability that these mentors, I would like to call them mentors, have, you know, this ability to connect with me, a Mexican woman that at first sight might not have anything to relate to with people like them, right? That's my thinking. But then we talked about really, really personal things, about family matters, about the sense of self-worth, and also esteem, like loving yourself. And I noticed how much everything around business, no matter if you're just starting or if you're right at the top, everything has to do with your mind and the thoughts that you put in it, in your mind. And being able to talk to someone that has made a business for themselves, millions for themselves, and then, you know, failed, let's say, and then come back up again, and then tell me that this happens to everybody and that I'm not alone in the spot where I feel like I'm the only one struggling like this. It means a lot. It means a lot to know that there is people that have done this, and that it is possible for everybody, and that no matter where you come from, that everybody faces struggles, and that everybody goes through this sort of thing, and that it really does come from your mind and your thoughts. So it's crazy to acknowledge the power of my mind to create or to destroy. So I'm willing to create all the life, all the abundance, all the wealth that's here in the world, and that has been given for all of us to take, but also give and spread and share. And yeah, my mind is doing marvelous things lately, and I'm appreciating the fact that I've got a community to share that with.
I know exactly what it is.
I'm since I was a little girl, I always wanted to be a Hollywood star. I always wanted to do crazy things like that. So I found a really awesome home at a local karaoke, and I'm just a star for a minute, and I love it. I love my karaoke nights, and I could mentor anyone to get into their weirdest, most awesome shape, self, when coming with me to the karaoke, because that's the one place where I feel I can just go crazy and nobody really cares, because everyone else is drunk, but I'm actually taking it really seriously and I'm having my best moment on the spotlight. So I think that if you can put yourself out there, no matter how silly you might look, and just putting yourself in front of an audience, that as a business owner is going to help you so much, because that's a place where you're going to be uncomfortable. Stand-up comedy, something I also do, and that's another thing that makes you extremely uncomfortable. So start with something like that. Just put yourself out there, grab a microphone, and then talking to the camera or talking to your audience, talking to a new prospect, a client, it's just going to become way easier, because if you can be a fool like that out there, you can totally be, yourself, talking about your products, and just be comfortable with what you have to offer. If you present yourself with shyness, that's not really going to help your business. So you need to start being comfortable with discomfort, So that would be my help to the world.